This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Lanee Scott. This grade 3-bedroom home with open floor plan has a combined formal living and dining with vaulted ceilings and art niches. Spacious kitchen with electric range, built-in microwave, stainless steel sink, breakfast bar, 42 inches cabinets, ceramic tile backsplash and plant ledge. Great study or third living area. Master bath with a dual sink, vanity, garden tub, separate shower and walk-in closet. Enjoy open patio and huge multi-level backyard, great for family gatherings or summer barbecues. For more information, review the details below or contact Lanee Scott at 469-523-1863.